Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atinike. So today I'm going to share with you how I achieve this gorgeous true on and go arts. I'm going to be using one of my old wigs to achieve this gorgeous wig. Can use any wig, any weave of your choice. So what you can see me doing now is just pinning down the hair so that it will be very easier for me to sew on, so that it will be on straight track. So I'll just keep on sewing. You can see a mark like a black color. You can see the mark. I use a metallic pencil to mark where I want to allow the wig to stop when I put on the hats, so it will be very easier for me to not over sew so that it won't cover my face. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate you so much. And if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly please make sure you click on the like button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. When sewing, it's very important for you to pick a little bit of the cap, a little, so that it won't show outside. Just pick a little so that it won't show outside. You are going to see what I'm trying to say towards the end of this video. Nobody's going to know, no one is going to know that is a fake as in, how will I put it? Is it a fake hair? I don't really know how I'm going to put it, so you just have to be careful when sewing. I sewed only one weave on the first track. Then on the second track, you can see I show you I join two weaves together. Then I'll use a pin to hold it down. Then I'll start sewing. Main reason why I join two weaves together, so that it will give me a very good volume that I want, so that it won't be light and I can't keep on sewing one track to the top, or else the art won't size you no more. So you have to join two weaves together. You can even start with two weaves from the beginning or one, but I prefer to start with one because that is where the hair is going to be staying at the back of my hair. How will I put it? I don't really know how to explain this, but just keep on watching. We are done. Yes, this is not even take me up to 1 hour to achieve. We are done. Just brushing the hair. Now you can brush it, it won't come out. So the final look. Oh my god. Oh, I love this hair so much. Nobody is gonna know. No one is gonna know. Yes, you can see I fold it up. It's not even still showing that I saw it on this art. Can you see the back? That was what I'm trying to say, that you have to pick it little. Pick little with the cap so that it won't show outside. That is all. If you're still watching to this stage, I really appreciate it so much, sis. Thank you so much for the support and love. Please make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. See you in my next video. Stay blessed. Ciao. Love you. Mwah.